Hello everyone, I'm back on my channel. This is Jayashree here and I'm here with some amazing product reviews that have been recently launched by My Glam. I have some of my favorite products from My Glam makeup range and here I'm going to be sharing those with you. So let us check the first one. The first one is my liquid matte lipstick from My Glam. This one is it. I love it so much. It sits so well on the lips. It's super pigmented. It will definitely suit all Indian skin tone, and whether you're for marriage, whether you're for general occasion or any other occasion, this will suit all of it. The shade is known to be Super Swipe 28. Okay, so the next one is again a liquid lipstick from My Glam. The range is called as My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is again super pigmented and this is the shade that I'm wearing. It suits all Indian skin tone. I am British and definitely suiting my skin tone very well. So if you're for marriage, any special occasion and anywhere, Indian skin tone and red color, it's something that goes along very well. So I think every one of us has that red color in our pocket, and this one is something, this is on a shade a little pink and reddish, so yeah, you can decide accordingly. This is pure red and this is something a pinkish red tone, so both of it is totally well for me. I love both of it. Okay, so let us check the next one. The next one is My Glam Powder Magic. It's powder eyeshadow stick eyeliner in the shade Amethyst. This is superb. Anyone for beginner or even for a well-known professional, because if you need anything in a ziffy like an eyeshadow or an eyeliner to glam up your look, this is something gonna be useful. This comes in a stick form, pencil form, and here it is. It has a nice glitter which you can, apply it in a very well and just go for a party. It's very quick, it's very so quick. You're gonna love it. So the next again we have is from My Glam and the shade is called Desperate Housewives. This is a lipstick. This is a semi-gloss lipstick and it comes in a shade like this. This is the shade. It's pink, proper pink. Everybody is gonna love it for a location and anything. Okay, this one is a shade. My baby is dancing behind the camera. Okay, so this one is the shade in pink. This is pure, the pop-up pink that you wear it for wedding or any special occasion. We look beautiful in all the colors. Okay, so next one what we have is My Glam Lit Lip and Eye Sparkle. Okay, here it is. It's super pigmented. You can check on my lip. You can check on my eyes. The eyeshadow sits superbly well. The shade is Your Grace. It's a rose gold sort of color and will go with any of your special outfit, I would say. Okay, so how do you apply it? I basically take the eyeshadow brush and spray some of the fixer on it and then pick this powder and just apply it and smudge it with my hand. So I use my fingers to smudge it with the fingers, sorry. I use my fingers to smudge it, so it's super easy to smudge it and it gives a nice glittery, it's super pigmented. I mean, you're gonna love it, try it. Okay, so next one I have is My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. Okay, superb again. The price is, okay, I forgot to mention the price of all the products, so you can check it in my link that is given below. So prices will be mentioned there and link will also be given there. And the bronzer that I was talking about is in the shade of 001 Cinnamon Terracotta. Okay, here it is. This is the packaging. Again, super handy packaging. I love the packaging. It comes in plastic packaging and it's super easy, so handy, because recently I'd been to marriage and this was so easy to carry along in any of the bag. It is so cute and small one, it fits in your bag so well. Let me show you. Okay, so this this is in a duo shade, so anything according to the outfit or anything to the occasion, you can try it like that. This one is a darker one, this one is a little on the lighter one, so you can use it, you can play with the makeup colors according to whatever you need. Okay, so the next one that I have is My Glam Pose HD Highlighter Duo. This is in the shade of 001 Champagne Rose Gold. Again, I carried this while I was for a wedding, to my friend's wedding. Super easy, handy to carry it in your pouch. You can touch up your makeup anytime that you need, and super pigmented again. This is in a duo shade, so you can wear it according to your outfit that matches. There is one on the darker, there is one on the lighter, both on a rose gold shade. Darker one rose gold and a lighter one. So match according to you. Play with your makeup tricks and tips and tricks. Play with your makeup talent. So anything. Okay, so hope you like this video, and I am tired of talking. And my baby is smiling behind the camera. Okay, bye till then. Bye bye. Hope you like the product. Do mention whichever you would love me to play with there. So here is my little disco look that I tried today. So here is a earring according to it, the hairband, the chunky hairband, and the glittery eyeshadow of course, and I'm wearing polka dot dress. Hope you like it. Bye bye.